morning to all of you. Namaste. My name is Shruti Mishra. I'm Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I'm going to take up the subject that is strategic management, and we're going to study the environmental analysis, need, importance and limitations. So firstly, we'll talk about what do we understand by the environmental analysis. Environmental analysis is described as the process which examines all the components of the internal and external. So basically, we will talk about the internal and external factors which actually impact the performance of the organization. The internal components indicate the strengths and weaknesses of the organization or a business entity, whereas the external components represent the opportunity and threat of the organization. You know this very well. The environmental analysis is awareness of the organizations to the success. Now, what are the need and importance of the environmental analysis? First, they help the managers to achieve the organizational objective effectively than other organizations. Obviously, once the organization has set certain objectives, manager it's easy for the managers to deal with those objectives or to achieve those objectives, as they have done environmental analysis very effectively. The second one is an enterprise cannot achieve its objectives unless it adapts itself to the environmental change. Without change, nothing can happen, as we know that. So, it is important for every organization to continuously deal with the changes in the marketplace. So, environmental analysis or environmental scanning is important for the deal with those marketplace changes. Next point that says the systematic analysis enables the managers to predict the future and to have enough time to for the other activities. So basically, for the managers, it is very easy to predict the future and with the environmental analysis, and they can understand that what next issue will be coming and how to resolve those issues. So they get time for that. Now let's talk about the limitations of the environmental analysis. The first one is lack of forewarning of the unforeseen event. So environmental analysis does not predict the future, as we have discussed earlier. That environmental analysis predict the future or predict the unforeseen event, but sometimes when we did not do very perfect environmental analysis or environmental scanning, so it can be a problem for the manager, for the boss, for the top management, that they that it couldn't able to predict the perfect perfect analysis of the future. So lack of forewarning of the unforeseen event. The second point says no assurance as to organization effectiveness. Environmental analysis does not ensure the organizational effectiveness. It acts only as an input in the strategy development and testing. So basically, the environmental analysis work as an strategy input in as an strategy development. So so we can't be assured with this environmental scanning that it will improve the performance of the organization. The third point says not fully reliable. uh, Normally people place too much reliance on the information collected through the environmental scanning, but in practice it is not so. Why? Because where there is a overloading of the information, one can likely to get confused. So if there is a lots of information will be there, so there will so the managers can get confused with this particular thing, and they can have the problem, and probably this will not be reliable for the managers and for the organization itself. Now, point number 4, what says absence of the strategic approach. Success of any organization lies in the adventure and the strategic risk taking. So this analysis should be strategically done, and if it is not strategically done, then there will be a problem for the managers. So these are certain points which we have discussed in this particular video. Thank you for your time. I hope you like my video, and if you have any query related to this particular video, please do let me know in the comment section. So this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Shruti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Thank you. Stay safe.